Foundation of the company. The history of Buick dates back to 1899 when automotive pioneer David Dunbar Buick founded the Buick Motor Company. After struggling financially, Buick was acquired by General Motors founder William C. Durant in 1908, who aimed to use Buick as the foundation for GM. Under GM, Buick thrived with the manufacturing expertise and financial resources to mass-produce vehicles like its Model 10 car, which sold over 16,000 units by 1911. The first closed-body car was revealed by the company in the same year. Buick helped cement GM as a dominant force in the new auto industry during its early 20th century rise. Making a name for itself in the automobile industry, Buick built a reputation for reliable, mid-priced vehicles amply equipped with amenities and styling. Successful post-war models like the Roadmaster and Electra featured powerful V8 engines and premium interiors targeting affluent customers. By the 1960s, Buick diversified into smaller intermediates like the Skylark, which attracted younger buyers during the muscle car era. Buick maintained healthy sales numbers during the late 20th century by adapting to changing consumer preferences and keeping up with technological innovations. Current status. Today, Buick sells over 1.4 million vehicles annually, including popular crossovers like the Encore and Enclave. The brand focuses on the North American and Chinese markets, where it holds significant market share.